Did you know that the Christmas star only comes
the
out?
one that you can't focus on? Yeah.
I did focus on it.
No, you
The
can't
Christmas
get a video.
star only comes out. It hasn't been visible for it hasn't been visible for 800 years until tonight. And look how bright and shining it is, guys. It's so cool.
Don't take a video, no.
Spit some fire, bro. Let the audience hear some bars.
Nah, I'm good. I'm good.
Okay. This is your time to shine, but
Oh!
Luke, spit some heat. Spit some heat. Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Where's Andrew? Hey, yo, we got the UFOs in here. Yo, Christmas star.
Hey, yo!
I don't know what this guy's doing.
Hey, yo! There's so many UFOs out here. We're out here just trying to look for the star.
Yeah, no cap slime. You already know what's good.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we're out here for real. Okay, not much going on in here. I think I got
There's another UFO
the
coming.
coronavirus. Don't want to get demonetized, even though I'm not monetized.
Don't get the coronavirus, y'all.
Anyways, y'all, that's the Christmas star right there, right?
And y'all, you can't get the coronavirus.
Yo,
Else
let
you'll be
them know.
sick.
Let them know.
Yeah.
Tell them what you did today. All the crazy. Get out of the lighting, bro.
Get out.
Yeah, get out. Get out of the lighting. Oh, they're fighting. They're fighting.
Oh, you want to go, bro?
No,
You wanna go?
no, back off my 6-year-old brother.
Yo, yeah, you want to go?
Yo.
Yo, get your boy. Get your boy, dog.
Yo.
Yo, what's
Yo,
up?
get out of the light, man.
Yo.
Get out of the light.
Yo, get your homie.
Yo, get out of the light, bro. Oh, shoot. Oh, they're fighting. Oh my goodness. Yo, he's trying to take him down right now. Hey, you got this slime? Yeah. Oh. Speed takedown? Yo, let him know what's going on right now, Luke. Let him know. Oh, you just got stuffed, bro. You just got stuffed, bro. You just got stuffed. You just got stuffed.
Yo, get your boy.
All right, hey, let him know what's up.
Hey, y'all.